Lily's Magical Treehouse Adventures, Doors to Enchanted Worlds. Lily stumbled upon a hidden treehouse nestled in the far corner of her backyard, its wooden frame cloaked in ivy and mystery. Intrigued, she climbed up the creaky ladder, her heart pounding with anticipation and excitement. Inside the treehouse, Lily discovered an ancient wooden door with intricate carvings. As she turned the handle, a soft glow emanated from the cracks, revealing its secret. The door led to fantastical, unexplored worlds, each brimming with adventure. Her first venture took her to the land of talking animals, a lush, vibrant realm where every creature had a voice. The air buzzed with chatter, and Lily marveled at the wondrous sights and sounds surrounding her. Amidst the bustling animal kingdom, Lily met Oliver, a wise old owl with sorrowful eyes. Oliver urgently explained that their world was in danger and pleaded for her help, igniting Lily's sense of bravery and purpose. The mission was clear: they had to locate a missing gem, the source of the land's magical balance. With determination, Lily and Oliver set off, ready to face the unknown challenges that lay ahead in the enchanted forest. Lily and Oliver delve deeper into the forest, following faint clues left behind by the missing gem. They navigate through dense underbrush and towering trees, encountering puzzles and mysterious symbols that guide them closer to their goal. As they progress, Lily realizes the importance of relying on her newfound animal friends. She teams up with a clever fox and a resourceful squirrel, each contributing unique skills to overcome obstacles and decipher the forest's secrets. Together, they face challenges such as crossing a rickety bridge and solving intricate riddles. Each step forward strengthens their bond and highlights the value of collaboration, proving that working together can overcome even the most daunting tasks. After restoring balance to the land of talking animals, Lily feels a sense of accomplishment. The return of the gem brings harmony back to the forest, and the animals celebrate their success, grateful for Lily's bravery and teamwork. Eager for more adventures, Lily steps into the treehouse once again and enters Toy City. She meets Mr. Cuddles, a wise teddy bear, who explains the urgency of fixing the broken magic clock to save the city from chaos. Lily's heart raced as she stepped into Toy City, a vibrant world filled with life-sized toys. She was greeted by Mr. Cuddles, a teddy bear with a worried expression. He explained that the magic clock, vital for the city's harmony, was broken. Mr. Cuddles revealed that a crucial gear was missing, causing the once bustling Toy City to slow down. Without it, the toys couldn't move freely. Determined to help, Lily promised Mr. Cuddles she'd find the lost gear and restore the clock. As Lily navigated Toy City, she encountered various obstacles. Giant building blocks blocked her path, and mischievous toy cars zoomed around unpredictably. Despite the challenges, her determination grew stronger, knowing the fate of Toy City depended on her success. In her quest, Lily met Captain Courage, a brave action figure, and other helpful toys. Together, they searched high and low for the missing gear. Their camaraderie and collective wisdom made the journey less daunting, instilling hope in Lily's heart. Lily's creativity shone as she devised ingenious solutions to repair the magic clock. She repurposed toy parts and used her imagination to fit everything perfectly. With the clock finally restored, Toy City came back to life, its residents cheering in joyous celebration. The magic clock's restoration brought life back to Toy City, filling its streets with joy and laughter. The once still toys sprang back into action, their vibrant colors returning, and the city's cheerful melodies resonated through the air, creating an enchanting atmosphere. Throughout her adventures, Lily formed deep connections with the inhabitants of each world. The friendships forged with Oliver the Owl and Captain Courage strengthened her resolve. Together, they overcame obstacles, teaching Lily the value of trust and collaboration. Upon returning home, Lily reflected on her incredible journeys and the lessons learned. Each adventure had shaped her, imparting wisdom and courage. The experiences in the land of talking animals and Toy City left lasting impressions on her heart. Through these magical escapades, Lily transformed from a curious girl into a confident and resourceful adventurer. The challenges she faced and the friends she made enriched her spirit, instilling a newfound sense of purpose and determination. With the anticipation of future adventures, Lily looked at the magical treehouse with excitement. It stood as a gateway to endless possibilities, promising more journeys filled with wonder and discovery. Her heart brimmed with hope and eagerness for what lay ahead. Lily's heart raced with excitement as she pondered the infinite adventures that awaited. Each journey through the magical treehouse had gifted her newfound courage and wisdom. She felt a sense of purpose and readiness for whatever came next. The treehouse stood as a beacon of endless possibilities, its doors leading to worlds unknown. As Lily gazed at it, she knew her adventures were just beginning. The promise of discovery and the allure of the unknown beckoned her forward.